job, huh?
Shallow.
Bad news? This better be good. I'm on it.
Incoming transmission.
This land was sacred to the Tal'Darim before Terrans ever reached the stars. We must depart immediately.
Hold on now. We just need some of this gas here. It'll be long gone before you know it.
No. You shall not defile the breath of creation. Tal'Darim warriors, execute all those who would desecrate our altars.
The Protoss are mobilizing, sir. Looks like they're gonna go after our SCVs when we harvest the Terrazine. I suggest we only harvest one side at a time and run with a heavy escort.
Go ahead.
Here are the coordinates for the Terrazine sites, brother. These should make our lives a little easier. Our SCVs can pick up Terrazine canisters and move them. It'll take them a while to disconnect the canister, so make sure you watch out for them. Bold move, Mr. Reyna. Collecting Terrazine from 2 places at once. Sure, it's gonna be harder to keep the Tal'Darim off our backs, but the quicker we're done here, the sooner we can get off this rock.
Bad news? Huh?
Incoming transmission.
You shall not steal the breath of creation so easily.
Careful. They're sending their ships to take out your SCVs. Shoot them down quick, or we're finished.
I've got the first canister unhooked, sir. I'll take it to the nearest command center. What's going on? Sure thing. Yeah, whatever. Been waiting on you.
Good job. That's the first canister filled.
You gonna give me orders? Will do. Sure thing.
Three down. You're doing great. Keep it up. That's over half the canisters you wanted.
Is under attack. Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar.
The Tal'Darim are sealing off the Terrazine altar so we can't get at them. If they keep it up, we won't be able to collect enough.
Hear me. Roger.
Shallow. Confirmed.
Bad news?
Go.
Huh? Yep. In the rear with the gear. Go ahead. What's going on? Bad news? Big job, huh?
These reckless Terrans must be stopped. Slay them all. Go ahead, Titan. Confirmed. Received. Target designated. NADCOM locked. Affirmative. NADCOM locked. Received.
You and your radar sure can walk the walk. We just need one more canister.